My partner and I lived together for 20 years, but we never got married. Am I considered an heir?
Uy.
Live-in
Mm,
partners, attorney. For 20 years.
20 years. Oh.
So,
Am
si
I
mister na hindi
considered an
kasal, si
heir?
misis na hindi kasal yung
Ah.
nagtatanong.
Tingin ko hindi siya mako-consider as an heir, attorney. Kasi ang kino-consider as compulsory heir usually if kasal yung magulang, kasal yung mag-partner, and kung wala silang blood relationship, hindi siya mako-consider as an heir, lalo na kung hindi sila kasal. Kahit na tumagal sila ng magkasama as for 20 years.
So, let me just clarify, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na kanina pa natin sinasabi, konsepto ng compulsory heir, no? Compulsory heir. Like I said, ano yung compulsory heir? O baba? So, anak, apo, or whatever, usually anak. And then, pataas, so magulang or lolo't lola or whatever. And then, yung katabi, no? Yung spouse, yung naiwan na asawa. In this case, si live-in partner, papaba ba siya? Obviously not, no? Pataas, hindi.
Hindi rin po.
Katabi, yes katabi, pero hindi legitimate,
Yes.
no? Hindi sila kasal. So, hindi siya matatawag na compulsory heir, no? But there's also the concept of an heir. Heir, yung compulsory kasi, compulsory heir, ito yung mga sinasabi ng batas, o hindi pwedeng wala yan, ha?
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng wala. Pero posible bang heir din siya?